Easy guided install. Neutral wire is required, standard wall plate size. No need to understand complex switch wiring or master versus auxiliary switch configurations. The Kasa app guides you through easy step-by-step installation. For non-dimmable lights, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection required. Three-way or single pole. Using it as three-way or single pole switch to control the light from one or two locations to replace your traditional three-way switch. Best for top and bottom of a staircase or from house to garage, etc. Control from anywhere. Voice control. Monitor your light status. Turn electronics on and off from anywhere with your smartphone using the Kasa app, whether you are at home, in the office or on vacation. Enjoy the hands-free convenience of controlling the lights in your home with your voice via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Scheduling. Use timer or countdown schedules to set your smart switch to automatically turn on and off while you're home or away. Enable away mode to randomly switch on and off to trick potential intruders. Trusted and reliable. Designed and developed in Silicon Valley, Kasa is trusted by over 4 million users. UL certified for safety use. Top reviews from the United States. Finally, a three-way smart switch by TP-Link. I have waited for these for quite some time now and bought a set the first day they became available. This is my 30th TP-Link smart switch, plug, and they never disappoint. The HS210 three-way switch kit was very easy to install using the Kasa app. It walks you through the step-by-step installation all the way down to reminding you to take a picture of all labeled wires before you disconnect the old switches. Configuration to your Wi-Fi network is a breeze, just like their standard single-pole smart switch. Obviously, there are a few more steps involved given it sets up both switches within the same process, one at a time. I have lots of practice using their setup app, so it only took 10 minutes tops to complete. I installed it in the same switch box together with a single-pole TP-Link switch and will say that it's a challenge to get everything to fit. Extra wires along with the large backs on these things make for little room. I didn't connect the ground wires to save some space, just cut it short and taped it off. I'll be purchasing these sets for the rest of my 3 ways. Definitely happy with the product.